Everyone talks about having an abundance mindset, but no one's asking this. What if mindset isn't the real driver of wealth? What if it's your frequency? In this video, I'm going to show you why your energetic frequency, your emotional tone around money is what actually decides how much wealth you attract or repel. Hi, my name is Nilofer Safdar, and for 30 years, I've helped entrepreneurs, coaches, leaders, healers move from financial chaos to consistent flow by aligning their nervous system, emotions, and money frequency so abundance stops feeling like a fight. We've been taught that money is logical, that it's all about strategy, discipline, and positive thinking. But have you ever noticed how two people can follow the same strategy and one thrives while the other struggles? The difference isn't mindset, it's frequency, because every thought you have about money creates a vibration. Fear, guilt, frustration, or resentment lower your frequency. Gratitude, trust, and safety raise it. You may be managing your budget, tracking income and expenses, setting new goals, but you're not tracking your energy. You might celebrate deposits, but tense up at bills. You're saying affirmations, but your chest tightens when you look at your bank account. Money responds to energy, not effort. You can't hold the frequency of abundance from a frequency of lack. And here's the thing, your nervous system controls your frequency. If it doesn't feel safe to receive, your energy collapses every time money flows in. And that's why it disappears so quickly. Now, to change that, you need awareness, daily awareness of your money frequency. So, step one, notice your emotional state when you think about money. Step two, do you feel open, neutral, or constricted? Don't judge it, just notice it. Step two, now when you feel the contraction, pause, breathe, name it. This is fear. Just this awareness cuts the loop. Step three, shift into safety. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and repeat, it is safe for me to receive. That single phrase rewires your frequency. Why this works is because your awareness changes your vibration. When you track your emotional state, you start rewiring your nervous system's relationship with wealth. Over time, you condition your body to feel safe in abundance, so money stops triggering stress. So, if you've been focusing on strategy but your results still feel inconsistent, start tracking your money frequency. Because wealth doesn't respond to what you think, it responds to what you feel safe to hold.